Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create and use a PayPal account for art commissions. First, go to the PayPal website and click on Sign Up. Choose a business account. After selecting the business account option, enter your name, email address, and create a password. Make sure you use an email you check often, since this is where you will receive payment notifications. When asked for your business type, select individual or sole proprietorship. This is the best option for most freelance artists. Next, choose a category. For art commissions, you can select design services, artist supply and craft shops, or handmade crafts. Then continue by filling in your personal details. Now verify your account. Link your bank account or your credit card. Once your account is ready, you can start accepting commissions. Instead of just requesting money, use the invoice feature. Log into PayPal, go to Pay and Get Paid, then click on Invoicing. Create a new invoice and add details about your commission. For example, write digital portrait or full body illustration. Add the quantity and the exact price. In the notes section, include your terms of service. Clearly explain your rules, such as no refunds after the sketch phase, and mention that the product is digital. This helps protect you if there is a dispute. Finally, stay safe from scams. Always send the invoice yourself. Never click on payment links sent by buyers, and never trust emails asking you to confirm payments outside PayPal. Thanks for watching.